All right. Now, let's look at the importance of the daddy das. When you look at your vocabulary in the book, you'll notice that each noun, these are called nouns, Mann, Frau, Hund, Kamera, Haus, these are nouns. And in German, all nouns must be capitalized. You see, I wrote all of these with capital letters, very important. All nouns must be capitalized. Now, when we put these in a chart, for example, der Mann, der Kuchen, for example, okay? And then we say die Frau oder die Tasche. And then let's do the das. Das Kind und das Haus. So we have a person, a thing. Person, thing, person, thing. Now when we speak, we don't always repeat der Mann, die Frau. Sometimes we just want to use a pronoun. And pronouns stand in the place of a noun. So if we want to say he, we say er. If we replace the der for Kuchen, it becomes er again. However, what's the difference between these two? The first one, der Mann, since it comes from a man, the er means he, right? In the second example, der Kuchen, a Kuchen is a thing. It's still er because it comes from the definite article. But how do we translate er now into English? It refers to the cake, so we would call it it, right? So der Mann, er, he, der Kuchen, er, it, because it's a thing. Can you follow me so far? Okay. Now let's look at the D words. Die Frau, die Tasche. The pronoun is called sie. And sie in English sounds almost like English. We say she, right? The woman, she. Die Tasche also becomes sie. It's just strictly grammatical. But how do we translate this sie now? We say it because it's a thing, correct? Yep, it. So, die Frau, sie, she. Die Tasche, sie, it. It's very important that you remember those differences between the translation of the sie. Now comes das Kind. Das Kind, in German, it goes strictly by grammar. Das Kind becomes es. And in English, we would say he or she, depending on whether the child is a boy or girl, right? In German, it doesn't matter. Das Kind becomes es. Das Haus also becomes es. And since it's a thing, we definitely translate it as it. So, and er, sie, es, they are called pronouns. They stand in for the noun, for so what are the German pronouns? Er, sie, es. When we replace definite articles, and when we replace daddy das, the pronouns are er, sie, es. Okay, now I'm going to write a couple of words and see if you can guess. For example, you know the word der Himmel from your dialogues, right? Der Himmel means the sky. So it's a der word, it's a masculine noun. What's the pronoun? Er, correct. If we say die Vorlesung, your Vorlesung is a lecture at a university, yeah, you know that word. Die Vorlesung, what's the pronoun? Sie, right? If we translate it, we call it it. Correct. Okay, so that's a short overview over definite articles and pronouns, how we replace these definite articles. So again, we have 3 definite articles in German, we have 1 in English. So der, die, das, representative for the. Now, when we put these in the plural, when we talk about more than 1, all the der, die, and das become die. So, die, and the pronoun would be sie, and that would be translated as they. So if we say die Männer, they, right? Die Frauen, they. Die Kinder, they. And that's it for this section for right now.